Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this Nigerian delicious suya, watch this video to the end. First, I'm going to start by cutting my well cleaned steak into a thin strips. I'm going to keep on repeating the same process till I finish the whole steak, but I'll be doing this off camera to avoid prolonging the video. Guys, as you can see how thin my steak looks like, you have to do yours like this to get that perfect suya size. Now I'm done cutting my meat steak, so I'll go ahead to pack them into my bowl before adding my spices. Next, I will add my white powdered onion. This is optional. After that, I'll go ahead to add my stock cube and my salt. Next, I will add my vegetable oil to my meat, and after that, I will use my clean hand to give the meat a proper mix. Next, I will cover with my cling film and leave in my fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. While waiting for my meat to marinate, I will go ahead to soak my skewer into a cold water. At first, I tried to use this my small bowl. It was so small for my skewer to enter, so I transferred it to a bigger bowl. I soaked this for at least 1 hour before using it. Next is to shred my beef on my pre-soaked skewers. That, I'm going to start by arranging my skewered beef on my oven rack. Next, I will apply my suya sauce all over my meat, then brush with oil, flip to the other side and repeat the same process. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. To my old and new subscribers, this is from me to you guys. Thanks for always supporting my channel. After applying my suya sauce and brushing with oil, I'll go ahead to put this in my oven, allow it to grill. Guys, after like 15 minutes that you put your suya in your oven, take it out and flip to the other side. You can as well brush with oil, put it back and allow it to grill for 1 hour. And after that, your suya is done. Guys, as you can see, my suya is ready now. You can actually serve this with onions, cucumber, tomatoes, or even cabbage.